Cwestiynau'r Wythnos. This week in the Senedd, members passed several Stage 2 proceedings, including the British Sign Language Wales Bill, the Prohibition of Greyhound Racing Wales Bill, and the Building Safety Wales Bill. All three pieces of legislation will now move on to Stage 3.
During questions to the First Minister, the leader of the Welsh Conservatives, Darren Millar, focused on what he described as the risk of Plaid Cymru questioning why voters should heed the First Minister's warnings about the party given their previous cooperation. Plaid Cymru leader Rhun ap Iorwerth, meanwhile, used his questions to press the First Minister on the Home Secretary's position on the devolution of policing and justice.
The final budget was debated and passed on Tuesday, with 25 MSs voting in favour, 13 against and 14 abstaining. The Welsh Conservatives spokesperson, Sam Rowlands MS, said the budget failed to address what he described as Wales' most pressing issue, the economy. Plaid Cymru spokesperson Heledd Vychan MS said that her party allowed the budget to pass in order to provide stability for public services, adding that if Plaid Cymru are successful in forming the next Welsh Government following the May election, they will bring forward their own budget within the first 100 days in office. The local government settlement was also passed, with 26 MSs voting in favour, 13 against and 13 abstentions.
The Cabinet Secretary for Health and Social Care, Jeremy Miles MS, also issued a statement on NHS waiting times, saying that reducing long waits remains the Welsh Government's #1 priority.
Looking ahead to next week, there will be a Stage 3 debate on the Homelessness and Social Allocation Wales Bill. The Cabinet Secretary for Housing and Local Government will also deliver a statement on more homes. There will also be questions to the Cabinet Secretary for Finance and Welsh Language and the Deputy First Minister and Cabinet Secretary for Climate Change and Rural Affairs.
Next week we'll be seeing further progress made on Welsh Government legislation, with both the Prohibition of Greyhound Racing Wales Bill and the Building Safety Wales Bill entering Stage 2 proceedings. Next week's plenary will see debates on the final budget and the local government settlement, and questions to be answered by the Counsel General and Minister for Delivery, as well as questions to the Cabinet Secretaries for Housing and Local Government and Education. That's all from us this week at Camlas. Hwyl am y tro.